Thanks everyone, my name is Yuri Camacho. I am member of the group number 551031_2 of the subject Qualitative and Quantitative Research. I apologize with you because I am sending this video and I have not used the screencast because it was not working on my computer and I have tried in others but it was impossible. Anyway, I will be talking about how to determine the qualitative methodology used in the article that I have chosen, the reading that I have chosen, called The Role of Awareness in Second Language Development. It is of Idayatullah in 2015. To answer such a question, it's necessary to highlight that according to psychology and cognitive science, it is necessary to pay attention to stimuli so that the long-term memory is generated. It's in this way that the subject, having an experience through the senses, can have consciousness and therefore acquire a second language. Finally, the above is considered by Schmidt in 2001, since it indicates that attention is essential for most aspects of learning and for a foreign language. In order not to generalize and understand society through communication, a validity has been generated in investigations, where the learning of a second language emphasizes the cognitivist stories and these are not under strict rules or procedure for the collection of data, and there is also no probability of measurement, so that the statistical analysis of the qualitative methodology is inclined to find a beneficial effect on pedagogical activities and improvement, such as homework and feedback, so that there is attention to structures already specified, and there is a greater possibility that there is acquisition of the language through explicit conditions or instructions. Validity of investigations. In the investigation carried out on the subject of attention have also included findings that had not been seen through the functional model of Tomlin and Villa in 1994, in which a more detailed analysis of care was proposed, which had the following validity. First, the state of alert makes the subject is willing to capture incoming stimuli. Second, orientation, to use incoming stimuli. And third, detection, which is a cognitive record of stimuli, but it is not acknowledged. Citing, as it is required to have interaction to understand people, in order to obtain results in pedagogical tasks, it is important to emphasize that providing attention to the student through some specific forms on the knowledge of the language must be a minimum requirement, and so the process will have a new learning. It is important that prejudices and beliefs are eliminated. That is why it's necessary to indicate that through the attention in the development of acquisition of a second language is very important, it's necessary not to leave exempt the role of conscience so that there is learning and knowledge. Then, according to Schmidt's hypothesis and Robinson's model in 1993, attention and memory are indispensable to control access to consciousness. It's in this way that in general findings, it is concluded that there are facilitating effects for the learning of a foreign language to have the awareness in students of adult age, because it generates a higher level of understanding, which requires analyzing, comparing, and testing hypotheses. Finally, it is important to highlight that the conscience makes students have greater linguistic uptake and thus restructure their knowledge. Thank you very much for watching me, for listening to me, and until the next time, bye bye.